at Lehigh Valley Plastics to figure out
what's so cool about manufacturing.
Lehigh Valley Plastics has been a world leader in the manufacturing of industrial plastic components for 50 years. They make components in the medical, industrial, and agricultural fields.
What I really like is the products that we make to help our customers.
The manufacturing process at Lehigh Valley Plastics starts with the design and planning of how to make a needed part.
I'm a programmer and an engineer, so I program all of our machinery that's out on the floor, basically tell them what to do and how to make the part.
A CNC machine is programmed to cut away the raw material. With the help of robots, this process can be duplicated numerous times.
So we purchased the raw material from several different vendors, some locally here in PA, some all over the world. This material is actually a type of nylon. It's called GSM Blue, and it actually has oil in it to help with the wear resistance and help lubricate whatever it's riding on.
Once a part is first completed, it is tested for quality before duplicates are made. This ensures that Lehigh Valley Plastics continues industry-leading quality control of all parts shipped from their facility.
What you're seeing here is our coordinate measuring machine. It's actually checking all the dimensions that were machined on the part at this operation. So what you're seeing here is the machinist has brought his first piece up, and quality is inspecting it using our CMM, and the machine is actually checking all the dimensions that it can check from the top surface of the part.
The employees at Lehigh Valley Plastics love working here because their jobs are always different and presenting new challenges.
I always like being able to take nothing and turning it into something useful. You know, it's very gratifying to see, you know, make somebody's ideas come true. Even some of my ideas, you know, be able to see an end product is very rewarding in the machine.
Everything that goes out the door here is solving a problem for our customers, either in replacing a metal part for lighter, more economical solutions, or is solving another problem where they may have a part that has really tight tolerances or something else that needs to happen in order to make their products work better.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing at Lehigh Valley Plastics.